Hi folks, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creation. Today is my last painting in our Washington house. It has sold and we're getting ready to become full-time RVers. So what you see here are my containers that I'm going to have with me of the minimal supplies that I can fit into our Class A RV. So I'm going to do a really quick and simple jelly plate pull. So my jelly plate is down. These containers, by the way, are an amazing addition to give me something to store my plates in so they don't get damaged in transport. So I digress. I'm going to do the quick pull on this, show you what I'm doing. What I do with these is I've been saving them up for a couple months now, and I'm going to start doing collage work. I'm taking a Skillshare course with an artist here on YouTube, and I'll leave her link down in the description so you can check her out. But I got to tell you, this course that she has put together is nothing short of amazing. So if you've got any interest in doing collage work, or as far as that concerned, doing jelly prints, you need to check her out. I'll leave that link down in the description. So without any further ado, this is going to be very simple, very quick. I'll get it up for this Thursday train, and we'll call it good. Next week, I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to do another piece. But if I don't, I want to let you know the week after you will definitely see me back. So let's get to it. Okay, let's talk about what we got here. You notice that on my plate itself, I still have some paint there. I'm not so worried about that because, frankly, the next time I do a painting, next time I do a poll, what I'll do is I'll leave that there, and it'll be a little grungy, and I don't mind that because the grungy look helps with texture and depth. So you can see all I was looking for here. I put down some marks. I put down the two colors of paint, which was blue-gray and I think it's titanium buff light. And then I did the marks with some of my tools I have here, just to give a little bit of interest and a little bit of depth. And then I covered it up with a little bit of gold light, or actually gold deep by Amsterdam, and the bronze from Arteza. So very simple pull to show you what's possible. And you know, honestly, what I'll end up doing with this, it's not probably going to be a standalone piece. It's going to be used for collage. I'll tear some up and add it to whatever I'm working on. And so that's how simple it is. I got to tell you, working with a Gelli print it allows me to be just basically have fun. And there's no expectations when I sit down with it. I'm not looking for anything more than a colorscape. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This is this week's Thursday train. Up next after me is going to be Just Janice, followed by Art by Julie E. And so let's see what they come up with. And until hopefully next week, if not the week after, I want to thank you very much for being here and hope you have a great day. Bye for now.